I think what's really funny about trends is I always tend to follow them after they're dead. It's water, it's sparkling water. I don't really get the hype. Am I now considered a hipster or am I just late to the game? Let's talk about the elephant in this room. That is all this red oak metal pieces. This project's for this guy. He's really awesome, so I'm excited to help him out. Do I look at you or the camera? Hi. I'm Philip. It's a pleasure to meet you. What do I do? I do graphic design, illustration. The camera totally died yesterday. My bad. Someone forgot to charge all the batteries. If you really want, I mean, I could show you how I glued everything and redo it, but I'm not going to. Sorry. Anyways, moving on. Trying to figure out how to make art into a career, basically. Because I was like, all I want to do is draw. So I need to figure out a way to make money. So I started a t-shirt company with this friend of mine, and we just made t-shirts. And through that process I learned Photoshop, I learned different techniques, I learned different things, how to get drawings from physical paper into a digital realm, and then that just expanded, and I was like, wait, t-shirt design is a subsection of graphic design. So I was like, yeah, let's just jump into this and figure it out. I am finally getting the hang of, you know, calculations and math. I wanted to keep this project under budget. I usually buy a little bit extra material just because it rolls over, and I'm good with that because then when I need something, a small little piece, I'm able to just use what I have. This project, it's obviously not for me, and I wanted to get exactly how much I need as far as material costs, and I'm doing good. So math pays off well. And after math, I need to go to English class and learn how to speak because I have trouble with that too. What's your least favorite part about drawing? Probably the worst part is drawing the same thing more than twice is a nightmare. My favorite part about starting a project probably is just getting to sketch everything out, because I get what the client wants, and then I do some research, and then all of these ideas are just like brewing in my brain, and so then I spend like the next few hours just sketching all the concepts out. Most don't work, but it's just I gotta get it out there, and then process of elimination, we figure out which one rises to the top. My favorite part, and that is working with wood. Welding is fun and all, but I'm just not at the level that I want to be, and I'm very slow. So, progress makes perfect. I need to go to English class and learn how to speak. I know I need the right tool, but that's all I have right now, so. A little intermission before we continue with this video is that I want to give you a little backstory, a little behind the scenes look of this video. Number one, Philip Popa, he's the best. He's my favorite graphic designer. Caveat, he's the only graphic designer I know, but still super talented, hardworking, great person all around. Going back about 2 years ago, he helped me bring BeeNeh Builds to life. Frankly, it's the least I can do. You're awesome, dude. So here's a little tidbit. I hear some rumors he's starting something new with video, and I would love for you guys to go check him out.
Until next time, BeeNeh. Until next time, BeeNeh. What a name, big one.